Hi, I'm Krystie, Marketing Manager at the Automation Company. Today I'm going to show you how HubSpot automatically tracks lead sources using the original source property. Let's get started. So I've already done this, but first you'll want to start by logging into your HubSpot account by navigating to HubSpot.com and entering in your credentials. From there, you'll go to the main navigation menu and you'll click on CRM and you'll click into Contacts. That should bring you to your contacts page, which should look like this. So from here, you can click on any contact record to open it. For this demonstration, I'll open an existing contact named Minnie Mouse. So when we click into Minnie, and we scroll down to the About This Contact section, look for the field labeled Original Source. Here it is. This field captures how the contact first interacted with your company. And if you don't see original source code in this left sidebar of your contact pages, you'll simply want to add those fields from your contact view settings, and that'll bring it up right away. Here you can see values such as organic search, paid search, email marketing, social media, and more. HubSpot automatically populates this field based on the contact's first interaction. So for Mrs. Mouse, the original source is direct traffic, which means she found us and first interacted with us by finding our Talent Network application page. Now, if we were to go back and perhaps look at how Mr. Mouse found us by clicking into his contact record and scrolling down to find the original source, there it is, organic search and Google, which means he first interacted and found us through a search on Google, which is great. So HubSpot auto-tracks the lead source by capturing the very first touch point, whether it's through a form submission, ad click, or really any other tracked event. And that's it. HubSpot's original source property makes it super easy to track your leads and where they're coming from automatically. This is crucial for understanding your lead generation efforts and optimizing your marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.